Welcome to Collaborate to Accelerate, a concise guide to using collaboration tools in project management presented by Dr. Microlearning. In this talk, we'll explore practical ways to speed decisions, reduce rework, and make teams more effective by combining the right tools, practices, and governance. Over the next slides, I'll walk you through an integrated approach that turns isolated expertise into shared momentum for faster project outcomes. The slide illustrates the multiplier effect of collaboration, showing how individual knowledge, once shared through effective platforms and processes, unlocks three key benefits: faster consensus and action, earlier surfacing of risks for proactive mitigation, and stronger stakeholder buy-in through aligned goals. Think of collaboration tools as capability multipliers that turn scattered insights into coordinated decisions and measurable project acceleration. Mature teams assemble an integrated stack rather than hunting for a single silver bullet, combining real-time communication hubs, task managers, document suites, and visual whiteboards for distinct vectors of work. In practice, this means using messaging tools for fast sync, workflow tools for assignment and tracking, document suites for co-authoring and version control, and whiteboards for ideation and spatial planning, so each tool complements the others. Security acts as the gatekeeper when selecting SaaS collaboration platforms, and the slide highlights four non-negotiables: regulatory compliance like GDPR, operational integrity, validated by SOC 2, zero trust encryption for data protection, and granular role-based access to enforce least privilege. The result is simple. Project data stays protected, yet effortlessly shareable, enabling collaboration without compromising compliance or control. This visual contrasts the chaos of version sprawl and email archaeology with a centralized hub approach that makes goals, threaded conversations, naming conventions, folder taxonomies, and inuitable wikis easily accessible. Centralizing content reduces time-wasted hunting for the current version and helps teams locate relevant information within 3 clicks, turning fragmented artifacts into a single source of truth. The slide shows how task accountability and RACI belong inside the collaboration tool rather than a static PDF. By assigning a single accountable owner, visible deadlines, and nested checklists for clarity. Embedding RACI as live, transparent roles in the tool broadcast responsibility automatically, making it easier to assign, track, and resolve ownership without manual updates or hidden expectations. Automation and workflow engines free human time for strategic work by auto-assigning tasks, applying routing rules, triggering notifications, and escalating overdue items, while board mirroring keeps cross-team views synchronized. The flow diagrams illustrate how automatic sync and task automation reduce cycle time, minimize status chasing, and create bandwidth for higher revenue creative problem solving and faster delivery. For distributed teams, balance real-time and asynchronous collaboration through rotated meeting schedules, recorded transcripts, and asynchronous stand-ups that capture daily updates without everyone needing to be present. The sample weekly rhythm blends focus deep work blocks, rotating all hands or syncs at time zone-friendly times, and recorded sessions so teams stay aligned while respecting different schedules and minimizing meeting overload. Intentional informal spaces, like optional chat channels for pets or weekend stories, sit alongside projector-focused threads to build social bonds without cluttering task discussions. The diagram shows how fostering personal connections helps ease conflict resolution and reduces friction when technical disagreements arise, resulting in smoother collaboration and faster, more amicable problem-solving across the team. The dashboard visual ties 4 key metrics together: adoption rate, task cycle time, on-time delivery, and stakeholder NPS, feeding into sprint retrospectives for continuous process tuning. Monitoring active usage and feature adoption alongside delivery speed and satisfaction enables teams to spot bottlenecks, celebrate wins, and iterate changes from tool dashboards directly into the development cadence for measurable performance improvement. This slide outlines a lightweight retrospective loop. Conclude a milestone, perform a Plus-Delta retro using INU platform analysis, convert insights into tagged action items with owners, and feed those lessons into the next cycle. Embedding the entire loop in collaboration tools ensures lessons learned are captured and applied immediately, rather than ending up in forgotten slide decks, steadily improving future project outcomes. The action plan translates tool potential into performance by selecting one central hub, migrating a pilot project, training the team thoroughly, measuring baseline KPIs, and iterating based on results. This practical sequence helps organizations test assumptions quickly, build confidence through a single pilot, measure impact with clear metrics, and refine adoption in repeated cycles to scale improvements across the portfolio.